Maybe you're taking it on a family road trip, or renting it out for someone else's camping expedition, or using it for that solo day trip that you always wanted to take. No matter where it's headed, your RV is more than just a means of getting to a destination. It's an adventure on wheels. So whether you're an RV owner or a renter, skip the flight and hotel check-in and opt for the road less traveled. And know that we're here to provide you with everything that your RV needs to set you off on your journey, along with the essentials to keep it clean and protected so you can do it all again next weekend. Introducing our program dedicated to RV care, starting with our customizable RV kit. Because like a turtle takes its shell everywhere it goes, your RV deserves the same trusted care and protection. Turtle Wax. Wax before you ride. Learn more at turtlewax.com/RV.